Most people yawn quite often, and yet think it's because they want to sleep. In this video you will find out if this is really the case and why yawning is so contagious. A person starts yawning while still in the womb, and although it is not completely clear why this is necessary, there is a theory that it is related to the proper development of the brain. Yawning in adults was explained by a lack of oxygen, but perhaps this is not the case. Scientists now suggest that yawning is one of the ways to cool the brain. The human brain is like a computer. Overheating causes it to yawn, which provides a rush of blood and cold air. The result is improved brain function. And why is our brain heating up at all? Brain temperature can rise because of fatigue and lack of sleep. In such cases, we yawn more often. In normal life, 48% of people feel the urge to yawn. An experiment was conducted in which participants were given a cold compress on their foreheads, and the rate dropped from 48% to 9%. Have you ever yawned because someone else yawned next to you? I'm sure everyone has had this situation. This phenomenon is known as contagious yawning. Although scientists still cannot explain why this happens, there are several hypotheses that can try to explain this phenomenon. Have you ever noticed how your friends use your mannerisms or habits, but maybe they do it unconsciously? This happens because of mirror neurons, which copy other people's actions and are crucial for learning and self-awareness. When we see or hear someone yawning, our mirror neurons are immediately activated. For humans, primates, and dogs, yawning is contagious. Studies have shown that dogs are more likely to respond to familiar yawns from their owners than from strangers. This is called an empathy yawn. Empathy is the ability to feel and understand the emotions of others. So if you meet someone with a hot head, yawn. It will help cool your brain and calm down. I think you've yawned at least once by now, and if so, write down exactly how much. I'd be interested in reading. Like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, pump your brains. See you later.